Hi, everybody. Trisha here with a special invitation for you. Starting soon, you can learn everything that you can about FFF metal. Now, that's metal 3D printing on your regular FFF or FDM 3D printer, your Creality, your Prusa, your Raise 3D, your gMax Pro, and a ton of other brands. With the Virtual Foundry's FFF Metal 3D Printing course. This course is a deep dive into every aspect of FFF metal, from upfront design to the finishing polish. We'll go into detail with printing tips and tricks. We'll break down the debind and the sintering processes one by one so you understand each of those fully. With 7 sessions over 13 weeks, you'll have time to do hands-on work and make your own perfect 3D printed metal part. As a course participant, you'll get personal instruction from the people who invented filament, a deep dive into each step of the FFF metal process, a look at emerging technologies, free support between sessions, automatic membership into the alumni group with perks and benefits that continue into the future, and a snazzy completion certificate. We'll also send you all the stuff that you'll need to work hands-on with filament and complete the whole metal 3D printing process. This course is perfect for you if you're a student or professor, a lab manager, an additive manufacturing trainer, a product design engineer, or if you just want to learn everything that you can about making full metal parts on common equipment. Now, to get the most out of the course, you should already have an FFF or FDM 3D printer and be able to print plastic with it. You should know how to work your slicer. We'll be using Cura for the course. And you should have a kiln. But if you don't, sintering services will be provided for you. Class size is limited to 10 participants, so this is an exclusive opportunity for you to go deep with FFF metal 3D printing. The course starts February 16th and concludes on May 11th, so sign up today. The price of the course through January 14th is $1,750. From January 15th to the 31st, that raises to $1,950. And then from February 1st to February 15th, the final offered price is $2,150. So it's important that you sign up as soon as you can. Now, a little bit of the fine print, there won't be any tuition refunds after the start of the first course session. All sessions will be held via Zoom, and all sessions will be recorded and may be used in future publications. We can remove any confidential information from those, however. You'll find a registration link in the description of this video. I can't wait to see you on February 16th. Until then, happy printing.